What's going on, guys? I'm gonna need you to focus on me. I know it's hard. I know with this. Okay, focus right here, right in my eyes. Next Tuesday, Wreck Bike Rebuild Season 3 is going to start. The entire point of this video is to let you know ahead of time so that you can be part of Wreck Bike Rebuild from the get-go. If you don't know what Wreck Bike Rebuild is, I buy wrecked motorcycles and I make things like this out of them. And then when we're done with them, I give the bikes away. If you guys don't know how to join Wreck Bike Rebuild, there will be a link down in the description. It's gonna take you to a website called Patreon. You can sign up for whatever dollar amount you want per episode. It's a per episode type thing. And when you sign up, when we publish the first episode, as long as you're signed up, you will be supporting Wreck Bike Rebuild and you will be, oh my God, my nose itches, can't continue to talk while my nose itches. Okay, now that my nose doesn't itch so bad. Yeah, I'm gonna delete this video the day that Season 3 starts. Season 3, Episode 1, whenever that video comes out, I'm gonna delete this one. But I did want to give you guys a little bit of a heads up because I know there are some super fans out there and we have some really cool stuff planned for Season 3. Wanted to give you guys a little heads up about it. So, next Tuesday, on that date, Season 3, Episode 1 starts. I look forward to seeing you guys over on the Patreon page, in the Discord stuff. It's gonna be a good time. I'm really excited. Hope to see you there. And if not, you guys will see the Wreck Bike Rebuild Season 3 episodes here on YouTube for free anyway. Hashtag you're welcome. Hashtag I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm Chaseontwowheels. Click the link in the description and click the like button if you like giving away motorcycles. Or me, if you like me giving away motorcycles, because like I wouldn't give my personal bike away. I'm gonna stop talking now. Okay, bye. Oh my God, my nose still itches. Oh my God. Ultra Crew, how do I get it? How do I stop it from itching? Oh, sweet God. Okay, bye.